Too close, Lord. Don't go too close. Right here. Oh, you're flying? My
Yeah,
bad.
bird fly.
My bad. My bad. Bird flies, isn't it?
I asked the rebels to do a recon of the area.
Alright, we're clear. You should take the helo down. We could have taken the helo down the hill. No, he's not gonna harm me or nothing. He's just a normal guy. Normal civilian.
K-Tal, you got a tip on the cartel in the
Ask for
area?
weapons. Ask for weapons. Ask for
Gracias.
weapons and skill points. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying to you. Alright. No, that's what I was talking about. No, when I played mine is blue. Oh, I think that's when it just began the game. My bad anyway. No, no, no.
Oh, I got some intel over here.
What marker? A. I'll meet you there. Enemies, enemies.
Small group of tangos.
I ain't worried about the enemy.
I'm worried about them. I can't take too much damage. I'm at like tier 1 and shit, so 3 bullets or 2 and I'm dead, depends on where they hit me. You guys can take a lot of damage. I can't.
We have no enemies over here. What are you talking about?
I see you kill him. Yeah, let's go. I'm down on the ground.
I got ran the
Oh
fuck
shit, that's civilian. Let him pay for you. Look at him. I'll fuck him up for you, Lord. I'm gonna fuck him up for you, Lord. I got him, Lord. I got him. Don't kill my friend and drive away like that. Hey, what's up, rebels? Come to join the party? Get on the helo. Let's go. Get on the helo. Watch him die. I love doing that.
Matter of fact, and I got a side mission right here.
Okay, let's get off that medic drop then. Let's get off that medic drop mission. I'm off the medic drop. Alright, the guys, don't start the thing up yet. Let's set up some get what we need to get first.
Right here.
And then we're gonna set up some traps. Oh, where can I put this helo?
I'm setting up traps now.
I'm placing a mine right here.
I'm gonna rest the helo right over here across from the train track. Don't move.
Yo, placing a mine over here. Placing a mine for our Sicario friends.
That's this LMG in it.
Just south. Yeah, I got that gun already.
Why am I putting mines up here on a dead end goddamn road?
Like, I'm redoing all this.
Wait,
Alright,
let me
boys
place
and
a mine.
girls, let's go.
Put a call to the rebels for some reinforcements.
You guys ready?
I'm ready whenever you're ready.
Alright, let's hit this shit. Let's take cover and shit, man. 2 minutes, helo should be coming in too. I'm hiding in this house.
Is it too much to ask to be able to
Tango
raise our
down.
children without them lying
Ha!
every night listening to the sound of gunfire?
Watch out, bird. I can get
We
you.
lie awake as well, wondering if a stray bullet might come
Oh,
through
no,
the
they're coming.
bedroom walls and take them from us. If we do not take our country back, those
What is one,
bullets will
son?
find us.
Come and get some. Got you, bitch. Who else wants some of this? Clear already? Shit.
I got two of them.
I got the one-shot killer. This shit takes out anything. Waiting for them to come. Here they come. Oh shit, I missed the back of that shit. Did you miss this time, bitch?
I didn't.
Yeah. Holy shit, foot soldiers.
I just requested a rebel recon of this area.
Let the mine blow that last one up, my lord. Let the mine get it. Let him come, let him come.
No, I took the dude.
Oh, here she comes. Got it. A grenade launcher, you ass. Okay. Did that blow the helo up though?
Message
No, I
sent.
got the
Rebels are gonna give Santa Blanca hell.
Alright, let's head to the helo. Head to the helo. Let the rebel finish off those fuckers. Oh, you rebels want to ride? Come on. Jump on. There you go. There you go. Lord. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god! Dude! Only thing I heard was I'm like, oh shit! The train almost took us out. Oh lord. Come on, get an helo. You have to kill a rebel to get a seat though, because rebels took over the old seats. Kill only one. Kill only one. Only one. With a pistol. With a pistol, dude. You gotta shoot this chopper and blow us all up. There you go. That was funny though. The train almost took us out. Lord. Oh my god. This is the base. Hey dude, they can't really push a drone up while they're flying, man.
Looking at a small group of tangos.
No, if we're going down.
Deploying drone.
Deploying drone. I got another tango.
I asked the rebels to recon the area for us. That makes 5. Target marked. Keep an eye on your background. I got eyes on a generator.
I'm gonna shut off this
I
light.
got eyes on a mountain.
You got EMP drone?
Yep.
Can you take the jammer out? Take out the power. The power is marked. Take it out. Shut the lights off. Yes, sir. It's not shot, is it? Hey, suppressors, motherfucker, suppressors. God damn, that didn't sound like. Is it? It sound heavy as hell. I'll push. Missed that bitch. What? I'm gonna snipe you like in Battlefield. Come on. Oh, this shit is coming for real.
Call the rebels for some indirect fire.
We got a lieutenant running away.
He ain't going too far. I ain't peed it.
He's still on the move. He's running as fuck still. Yeah, that's what I'm saying to Lord. He's gone. He ain't gonna get that motherfucker. You're gonna catch him. Oh, you moved. Are you guys chasing that bitch?
I am. I'm on.
I'm gonna light them up from the sky. This damn rebel sitting on the hill and not doing shit.
Yeah.
No worry, can get more info off him. Probably won't give you a gun either, probably just gonna give you like eras for rebels things and all that. Alright, your chariot awaits. Be quick, still got hostiles down here.
Hold on.
Yeah, they're gunning at you. Look at the rebels, they're sitting there not doing shit. Alright, we're going to marker. What's over here? Base again.
I'll be right back. I forgot all the buttons off.
Wouldn't that approach you over there? Yep. Just stay low. Shit. Shit.
Find some small potatoes.
Come on! Shit. Oh, now you fuckers gonna shoot. I thought that was the information guy running over in the car. Hit him, rebels.
Found the location for an airdropped care package. Let's go see if it's still there.
Oh shit.
Damn, that's gonna hurt in the morning.
I'll pilot.
We're going next. Hey Lord, what are you doing over there? Hey, hey, let's steal this chopper. Let's steal this chopper. Come on, come on. Hey, get over here, dude. Dude, get your ass over here, quick. I can't leave him with that one of the rebels on it. Quick, 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 quick. No, 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 no. Alright, where we going next? Come on, let's go. We're next.
Target number 2, there.
Tango number 3.
Yeah.
I asked the
If
rebels
you're
to do a
skilled
recon of the
enough,
area.
if you're skilled enough, go on, go for it. They're sleeping. That one is on the move. Man, let's go for it, man. Fuck it, why not?
I called the rebels for a diversion.
Target is down. Ah!
Got it. You ain't gonna get it back. I have to come pick you up over there or some shit. You got it? Oh.
Tango down.
Got him. Alright, where else is he going? I just came from there. Unidad.
Target is down.
Alarm. I shut it off.
Shut off the alarm.
Power is down. Reinforcements. Rebels fucking them up down there. You know that Jeep? I just blew it up. You better get down that helo down there and go get that shit, 'cause a lot of reinforcements are gonna keep coming in. quick. They're quick, buddy. They're calling reinforcements in. That's like it. Where next? You little doggy. Oh shit. On tip me nose dive. There's enemies down here, there are a lot of enemies. See if we can just land on that roof and jump down and grab that shit. I fucked my hero.
I got another tango. Third target. Tango 5.
I fucked mine too.
Count is now 5.
There's alarm.
I asked the rebels to send over a vehicle for us. The drone is up.
Thank you.
I called Pacatari for some reinforcements.
Drone is up.
I called for rebels
What?
to draw their attention.
He did. Haven't you get it yet? You have not got it yet?
That tango's down.
Shit.
Frag out. Hola, putas.
Where you at? Okay.
Goddamn.
Come on, get up. Get up. We soldiers. Come on, a grenade.
Frag
He's
out.
still dead. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna bomb up around you and then pick you up. Alright, get ready. Fucking guy behind this pillar. Oh shit. Oh man. No, Lord, the fuck thing up because Lord is in the game and now we gotta stay and bleed the fuck out. Shit. Ugh. Man, I told my little boy to get the damn bag for the thing. You got no option. Oh, where you at? 3 clicks. Alright. Elo shit. You. Alright, where you going now? Hey? Okay. Now you have to get it.
Frag out. Come in mierda, culeros.
Where?
All right, firing a flare. I asked Pacatari to send us a vehicle.
Okay, my fault. Y'all had to take my little cousin. Take him home.
Alright, Elo's up here.
Who got that gun mark? Look at that gun mark over here. How far is it? Alright, let's get this convoy that's behind us. Just mark it. UMP drawn out.
Sure are a lot of lights and switches up here.
I hit it with a drum. Nah.
It didn't hit,
I was
dude.
right to the side. Stop that drum. Don't worry about the guys up on this hill. I got them.
Convoy stop. It at critical health. Do not try not to shoot it.
Don't worry about the people I get.
You guys still on the safe side.
Let's call the rebels and let them know where they can find these men. Let's get a lot of them back in action.
Okay. Coming down.
So, damn, I got a network antenna right here.
On the other DLC, like Naka Road, the helicopters are pretty and stuff like. Are you all in?
Alright, I got this side mission up here. Y'all wanna go and hit it? Alright. I got it. Go ahead, get back in. Tell me when you back in there. Go.
You got enough time. The same direction in towards the same place you guys going anyway. Probably there's enemy hostile at the other hand. Yep.
Small group of tangos. I got a third target.
Can you get us closer? You got a bird or you want me to come running? Got a couple.
Turning those cartel comms ought to give the rebels some more balls.
Yeah, this is where it came for the fire, isn't it?
Yep.
We're going for it. Okay, you guys on foot, I'm in the skies, I'm gonna clear them all up. The file, you just came here but you couldn't get the file, it says screw the file. Get out. I know, Lord's going over there, so you might as well go get your file. There's a gun Lord didn't get as well, innit? So, let's put your drone up, guys.
I got a target carrying submachine guns.
Hold on, I'm putting my drone
Drone
over
going
there.
up.
Alright, let me just come down and just use the rebel scan and scan the whole place.
There's another tango. Deploying the drone.
Is that unit that coming or going away from
And
me?
target number 3.
Going away.
Drone is airborne. I asked the rebels to recon the area for Tango marked, but he's got a civilian nearby.
Okay, you know where the fire is? I'm gonna start lighting them up right now.
Hold on. Still some over.
I got a generator over here.
I'm gonna kill the power generator first.
Both snipers on the roof dead.
Oh wow.
That guy's dead. shoot that shit at me, boy. Shit, Lord, I almost killed you. Got it now, Bird?
I got the document.
You got the document, Bird? There's a guy by Bird. Oop. You fell.
I got you, Bird. He's on my body. Medic drawn out.
Show yourself.
Had to switch. It's up here.
Yes, sir. You got everything that you need? Oh, there's a gun up in that church, you know. Huh?
He's dead.
No, there's a gun in this church. I know there's a gun in there because I got a gun in there already.
I asked the rebels to do a recon of the area.
Right side. Is there a gun case around here somewhere?
I remember this church.
There should be a gun case in this church. I got a gun case in there already.
Really, Bird? Drive a Jeep into a church.
Alright, it was.
Even though this is a church of Cinco de Mayo.
I'm looking. I probably was wrong, but there's a church with a gun inside of it. Not so far to the haltation on the outside ledges. Should be.
I'm just curious to know how far I can go up.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, hold on. Give me a second. Yeah, I had to come pick me up from the top of the church, you know.
I've been up to the top before. Sometimes when I'm bored and I'm playing by myself, I just jump to the top of the church on this and just snipe off everybody. Oh, you went into the drink.
Shit. Look, you up that high. Come down, I can't get up that high.
Hey, Lord.
Shit, I'm hit.
Hey, Lord. Die, motherfucker. I got you. I got him. Alright, let's go. Where else you guys want to go? Shit, no, we lost the helo. Oh lord, we're gonna call the helo down there for you. Get ready.
I asked the rebels to send over a vehicle for us.
See it? And there's one by the compound. Let's go. Parachute, boy! I'm going to the front. Let's go to the ledge and push forward and press X. Have you got the parachute unlocked?
It's gonna hurt in the morning.
Probably have a... Go to your... what's that section called? Go to your... skills. And go down to... height. Huh? Dude, just push... Just slightly go... building, push forward and hold X, and you'll just basically dive and pull a chute.
All right, pull your shoes.
See? You have the chute because I can hear you. I hear you shout out. Yeah, pull your chute. I heard you said that. So you're just not pushing the button the right way.
I'm coming to you, Limbo.
There's an elo. I call it elo in the base. You got a big elo in the base there.
Yeah, I'm going to get in there.
Died again. Where you at? We'll come get you.
Ah, fuck. I can't even use the elo. Oh, I got skill points. Wow.
Who need that above?
Yeah. Hey, you got to come get me because my helo got destroyed.
Get that unidad off my ass. Nice. Get in.
That you fine, it is. Alright. Take the fuck off.
Okay, where else, guys?
Alright,
A.
go to the gun case.
A.
Yeah, huh? Yeah, hey.
Where the fuck is it? I keep hearing the predator noise in my ears.
I see a second target.
Target eliminated.
Neither did I, man. I wanted to shoot, but I didn't want to shoot and mess things up.
Parachute drop.
No, buddy. I'm gonna get this parachute drop over here.
Hey, what about me? You forgot about me?
That's cool. You get the points still, man. jump on mission.
Signed, sealed, and delivered. Now the rebels can come claim it.
Hope they make some good use of whatever's inside it. I'd hate to think we came all this way for nothing.
I just had them drop me a helicopter off over here. What the fuck is it? Which one? Yeah.
This scene is just beautiful.
The drone is up. I've got eyes on the captain.
Deploying drone.
Marking a captain. I asked the rebels to recon this area.
You don't think you gonna spot me? They seen me.
Yeah, cause you all
Yeah.
coming loud up. Loud up your thing, man.
Enemy
Much
killed.
of them. Kill
I'm
off all
asking
of
the
them
rebels to
blood.
draw their
clot.
attention. I called the rebels for reinforcements. I called Pakatari for some mortar fire.
Oh shit! What the fuck was that?
Probably that's me calling motor strike just now. Oh shit, 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 shit! No, I'm dead.
Couldn't get your bait.
Thank you. Took off this upper side. I'm gonna fuck up things.
Oh shit! Now I'm dead.
I got
Yeah,
you.
it's time to take off.
Son of a bitch.
I asked the rebels to recon the area for us. I'll fly.
Surprise, motherfuckers.